Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, obviously from the title and thumbnail, it is delivery day, and I'm so excited to be able to actually do a delivery like this. I've never been able to kind of like unveil a car in this manner, but yes, I did purchase a vehicle. It is coming from out of state, and I'm super excited for it to be here, and I don't even know what to say. I'm just that excited. Also, I got a really awesome, kind of festive, exciting shirt on today. I actually did wear this at work today, so I'm like, you know what? Why not? It's great. It's gonna be a great day, so why not celebrate and kind of be festive? But we got the Corolla over here kind of back out of the way. I did get it cleaned up. I did know it was gonna be like in some of the backgrounds of like the video and some of the photos. So it is nice and clean. This is obviously my project car, kind of like a fixer-upper beater car. Texas does get some hail from time to time. So sorry to say it, Corolla, but this is kind of like the sacrificial lamb, if you were to say. But yeah, the garage space right here is all for the new car. I am so excited. I did get the garage cleaned up quite a bit. Obviously, we have a new toolbox, have a lot of stuff kind of cleaned up. We got the quick jacks over there in the corner, and then obviously got a ton of space right here now. I typically do have a table when I'm working on projects and whatnot, but yeah, I did a lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing. I actually have the V12 on display, so you guys will probably be seeing this in like some upcoming videos in the backdrop and whatnot. But I absolutely love that thing. I actually got a good deal on that, picked up in Houston. But yeah, I'm just really excited. I'm just waiting on the call right now from the transport. They should be here hopefully soon, and I will be getting a heads up a little bit later. So, or hopefully soon. I have no idea at this point. If you guys have any guesses on what this could be before you finish watching the video, put down in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think I did pick up. If you guys have no idea what I'm even talking about, I did actually have a Lexus IS. It was amazing. I love that car. Here's a picture of it right here, and I love the thing to death, and I am replacing it for something new, something awesome, something I will probably be daily driving quite a bit. So yeah. And if you guys do know, I did have the Porsche in the past. It was the Porsche Cayman S. I did sell that to order something else. There's still more on that. It's still in the works. It's still coming. So yes, I still have a crazy high-end performance car coming, and then this car is going to be replacing my daily, and then this is a daily to the daily. So yeah. All right, so it is the next morning, and as you can see, obviously no car yet. There was once again another delay. Yeah, so he ended up getting into town super late, so it's either going to be like a middle of the night delivery or a first thing in the morning, which I chose the morning because the weather is beautiful. There's like a nice light breeze. Hopefully it doesn't affect the audio, but wow, it actually feels amazing outside. I think it's like 70 degrees. This is incredible, especially here in Texas. So he's going to be here very, very soon. I did already get the call, so we're looking at like maybe like 10 minutes from now, or hopefully a little less. So I'm super excited. There's a lot of like kind of industrial construction going on right up the road, so I'm hearing a lot of that equipment. You can probably hear it in the video right there. But every time I hear something, it sounds like the truck may be coming into the street, so I'm getting like really paranoid, like watching the road and everything. Super excited, but here we go. Woo! There it is. That's the transport. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so excited now. Oh my gosh. All right, I am so excited. It is here in the truck right here, and I'm not gonna show you guys until it's fully pulled out all the way, but man, this is exciting. Oh my gosh. Also, we got Sophie here. She's super excited to see it too. Oh, I can already see it in the trailer. Oh my gosh, man. Reality is definitely sinking in right now. Gosh. All right, so once he starts it up, I want to see if you guys can guess what it is by the exhaust. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I can't believe that I literally got this thing. Like, wow. Dang. All right, so he's about to start it very, very soon. So let's see if you guys can guess this by the exhaust. Oh man, this looks amazing. Oh my gosh. And there it is! Got a Porsche 911 Carrera S. So yes, I replaced the Lexus with a Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, and holy cow, this thing is absolutely amazing. It is a 991 Porsche 911, and I am so excited. Let me look at these wheels. Woo! Gosh. And yes, I said before, this is a project car. This is not just like a fancy luxury kind of show car. This is going to be a new project. This thing's going to get torn apart. This thing's going to be in pieces. It's going to get upgraded, modified. But man, before that, let's just go ahead and check out the interior. Gosh, look at how beautiful this is. We got, it's like a very light gray. We got a darker gray interior, and also all the carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can really see that. More carbon fiber on the steering wheel on the bottom, and then the whole top with leather on the sides. Man, this thing is so amazing. Got carbon fiber down the middle. And yes, we have the Sport Chrono option. Adaptive suspension, traction control off, that's important. The rear wing, the exhaust, which is a valved exhaust, and we even have a sunroof there, and Alcantara all the way down the A-pillar as well. And then we got the beautiful back seats here. Oh my gosh, red seat belts. Like, this thing has it all. This is not just like a simple base model. This is like a pretty much like fully loaded, like, there it is right there, the Carrera 4S. Oh my gosh. I did have a Porsche Cayman S before, but this is on a whole other level. I cannot explain how happy I am and how excited this makes me. Like, oh my gosh. Man, let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Man, I only see one flaw, and that's the front plate mounted on here. And yes, it's mounted onto the front bumper. So that's a little disappointing. I like it without the plate, but I'm just going to leave it there for now. But until then, let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. And definitely hit that subscribe button, because there's going to be lots to come. A lot more epic videos with this. And yeah, I cannot wait to get started with the build process. But if you guys did like this video, go down, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the videos to come with this, all the projects, all the modifications. And yes, this will get a crazy wrap, a crazy livery. If you guys did see my Porsche I had before, which is like right here again in case you somehow forgot, like, this is going to be crazier. But like I said, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.